Hey, what's up? What's poppin'? How you doing? In today's video, we'll be unboxing another Louis Vuitton SLG, which is the Mini Pochette Accessoires. But before we start though, if you guys are new here in my channel, hi, my name is Mikey and I post videos every single week, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. You already know where it is. You guys, I am so excited. I know I just uploaded a Louis Vuitton unboxing on my very last video. What is wrong with me? No, but honestly, these are great investments. Like, I'm not gonna make myself feel bad because I know for a fact that I can resell this and get my money back since LV keep increasing their prices. So I feel like, you know, it is a great investment. Those are the excuses of shopaholics. Anyways, these mini pochettes actually comes in 3 canvas prints, which are the classic monogram. Of course, we have the Damier Azur and also the Damier Bean. The one that we have right here is actually the Damier Bean, and I was really debating between these or the actual, like, you know, monogram, because everyone knows that the monogram is timeless and classic. But to be honest, I'm really not a fan of Pochette leather. I feel like you guys would back me up on this because, first of all, you really have to take care of it, and if you guys know me, my hands sweat so much, so I feel like it would turn orange or brown whenever I start using them. So I decided to just go with the Damier Bean, and we're gonna start with this envelope right here. There's a lot of stuff in there. Thank you letter, exchange and return policy right here, and we have the return label right here and the receipt right here. This currently retail at $365, and I believe with tax I paid $3.95 and 11 cents. Unboxing is like my favorite thing ever. The feeling I get is like no words. And we have a blue ribbon this time. Literally, I can get used to this, you guys. Like, I'm not gonna be mad. Oh my gosh, here it is. Eee, oh my gosh. Wow, it's so adorable. No way. Like, I see why people are so crazy about this. Like, it's so adorable. You guys, we have Made in France. If you guys know me, I always just carry my LV key pouch and my phone all the time. Like, I can get out of the house with just those 2 things, but sometimes I do want something that I can easily carry around without, you know, grabbing a purse or something. So with that being said, I thought this would be perfect for that. Look how small and compact. Yes, I feel like this would serve the purpose. Anyways, you guys probably already know, but this thing is always sold out. It's hard to find, but that didn't stop me from buying these. I just know that I don't have any chance of getting this at the store, so what I did is literally check it online like almost every time I think about it. Like, I was a crazy girlfriend, and I'm not gonna lie, I took a lot of L's. Like, I've searched so much and all I see is like call for availability or notify me or like out of stock. Like, literally those are the 3 things that like keep on popping up. Like, I never saw add to cart. Like, why? But I believe it was like a Saturday or a Sunday morning where I checked it and I was like, oh, it's add to cart. I was afraid that I'm not gonna get it because I've heard stories that they added to cart and then once they're reviewing it and submitting it, they didn't go through because it was sold out. So if you guys are trying to look for these, just keep an eye out online because they will drop, and just be patient. I mean, that's what I did. Like, I took a lot of L's, like I told you guys, and finally you see this like word and it says add to cart and you'll be like, oh my gosh, and it is worth it. It has a slim gold chain which gives that flavor, you know. Do you guys love the sound of that, or is it just me? It's like ASMR. The tab side of the chain is not removable, and on the other end of the chain it has a lobster clasp that can attach to both the rings. It is lined with red interior. Love this red interior, you guys. It's just so slick and classy in my opinion. Look how nice that is. But anyways, let's go see what's inside. We do have the textile card right here, and this thing that I still do not know what this is, but we will keep her And we do have the tab right there, which is the serial number. This zipper is actually so smooth. I don't know, maybe because I'm so used to the Palm Spring bag that their zipper is so hard to open because of the flap. But this thing is so smooth, like a butter. Alrighty guys, I'm actually curious if my phone and my wallet will fit in here because that is the purpose I bought it. Let's go try it. Alright, I do have my phone right here and my key pouch and my car keys right here. This is the only thing that I carry around all the time, so let's see if it fits here. Phone. Hang on, wait a second. Oh, okay. I think I just give it a little push. There you go. Do you guys see that? It fits. I thought it doesn't fit. I'm like, I will have to return it. And let's see if my key pouch fits in. It's so perfectly fitted in there. What? And I can literally put more stuff in here. Ah! Perfect. All right, this is my setup right now. I do have my car key right there, my phone, and my key pouch. There you go. Who is she? All right, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on me. I am a tall girl and I do have a long torso, so yeah, this is what it looks like. Also, some of you might not like the gold chain. You can just take it out of the D-ring and then open this. You guys see this hole right here? I can put the chain under that and just tuck it in inside. And there you go, you don't have any hanging chain. Another ways of wearing this is I can do it as a wristlet. So we have the chain right here and attached it to the same D-rings right here. And there you have it. We do have a wristlet. Anyways, if you guys are still thinking on buying these, I hope this video helped you guys out. And I'm gonna be your whisperer and say, go buy it. Bad influence. It is not a cheap bag for this, but yeah, I just thought that I would wear this forever and I will have it forever, so might as well invest on one. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give it a like if you like it. Also subscribe if you haven't. Overall, as you guys can see, I love it, you guys. I think this will be perfect for like my grab and go bag. Anyways, today's shout out goes to you. Thank you so much for commenting. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys. Bye. Welcome to the family.